So just coming through platform 1 to 3 in Cork. So there's a matwell underfoot. We have a drain here on the right hand side, a plastic drain. So we're going to be following the plastic drain. This will bring us to a railing between platform 2 and 3. So sweeping the cane left and right, plastic drain underfoot, and shortly we'll be at the pedestrian railing between platform 2 and 3. So nearly there. Plastic, there's the pedestrian railing around the track. It's one of the telephone boxes, second telephone box, and we have a ramp on the right hand side. We have a pedestrian safety railing on the right. That's for platform 2, and there's a train coming in on the left hand side for platform 1. So the handrail has ended. This tactile begins, and this is the start of platform 2. I turn around and I walk forward now. Oh no, we're all good. Thanks very much though. And so we've platform 2 on the left, pedestrian safety railing, and I'll just keep going. So that's platform 2. If we walk to the left here, we'll have our plastic drain. We can follow the plastic drain, and that'll bring us to the station. We've got the mat, and there are the doors.